Alright, we see how many na akwaba enfamra Bonesman TV. Within the Bonesman, na you might be a friend of Bonesman show. Senator American say celebrities na omo say omo bo mo modern e oman kronkron Ghana mo no. Omo na ene omo tenase na omo nsoso no na omo bia no anase kwamfo aso ase no ne omo atwe nkomo ba bi omo dru ene the way forward no ne na omo atwe nkomo. Nti ene wo mini aba bi nchen na mini aba no me case onye nipa me da bia me case onye superhuman because me nim na da ni minim me say machine bi da ni minim enti me na ba bi wa me chia me na ba twetwe enkomo. I call her say ona na ye currently the reigning female vocalist, not in Ghana but in Africa. Naja, it is saying
me adom me hoye na won so
me hoye o hoye de me hoye Obi adaromanti mo hoye. Obontoti. Wouldn't buy them.
Your friend Henrietta na Naja Mafua. But Naja na Michobi's name. I from Medina Naja na.
Nana Ajwa. No, I
am Naja.
Okay. Nice. I don't want to ask you of your age, but are you schooling?
Devi.
Schooling.
Me we school last year, so this year they me music kakra then I go back to theory. Yeah.
School being
in Ghanaian senior high, Sekwa.
Oh, okay, Sekwa. Oh wow, that's nice. Let's come back to your music. What's next year? I'll go school, right? Tell you now where's Obeko?
Legon.
Legon.
Yeah.
Now you're welcome. All right. Let's come back to your music now. You're here. I shall say a tone when you started singing. Okay,
my cousin, you man kasa de me free SD for fee. So all the times, yeah, they are me told that with my parents, but me start seeing professionally at the time I drew SHS 1. Me ba show be our Joy Prime. That's Prime Studio season 1. Okay. Yeah, me Barbie and yeah, about audition. No one came in. I was part of the competitors and. And so I'm signed first. So that was then I started BBA professionally. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's nice. Not your free infant.
Me free Sunyani or Domasi?
Sunyani Domasi.
Yeah.
Udas Krum.
Yeah, Udas Krum. Ha, I'm free.
Sir, Ohana Sunyani here.
One I'm Sunyani here.
There's a way Sunyani this year.
That's right.
So how is the support from Sunyani?
Because Sunyani for supportive, but almost support not to say one case I won't push you one, they won't support you. You get it? So one case being yes, you being the musician and you are not doing anything for yourself. They won't help. They won't even mind you. Say, also as an artist now, obe feel say I'm was never and support you. They are this, they are that, but maybe the fault might come from you because one case as an artist, you need yes, so. So because Sunyani for only supportive, only if one can support you. Yeah.
Currently, I think so. Who you be brave right?
Sure. Me released EP last month.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I think so. I saw one. Taste of Love, right? I have a favorite. Number one.
Oh.
Yeah, number one. Yeah, my favorite. But nah, I think so. When you somebody gonna show me some love. Yeah. Somebody gonna. My voice say, no pay no. Me so me payment. And yes, I dey me challenge you kakra. I don't know what minimum.
Bibi natural.
Bibi no minimum.
Debi.
Voice ni natural.
Yeah.
Video so I mean who near the no. Enye studio na omo retouch your voice na natural voice here.
Oh, Debbie. Natural.
Yeah, sure. But me must say we be sure minimum I me say my voice is so special. Well me to be frank me who currently me who artist here and voice na to say what the another. So let's come back to EP no. We EP no anyom dressing also.
Well, nyom 6 and also me wo nyom back featuring Aquaboa and I'm wo Obibinin, so it was that's the third and fourth song.
Okay. Na number 1 so heading.
Yeah.
Also. let's come back to number one. Number one, no, no. What is it about?
Okay, so to tell you about the whole EP now is a story about a young beautiful lady who fall in love for the first time. And say, ladies, I want to hear them for the first time, so I want to do what I say. So yeah, we fall in love for the first time. I'll go through the stages in love, or experiencing the sweetness, the bitterness, and the twists and turns. Like the stages in love, we'll go through the stages in love. So that number one is the first stage I will share my boyfriend for the first time, and guy knows who treating the good, or who say this is the type of guy I'm here, and or friend is already number one. That's what I say. Or to me, the number one, and
They're breaking out to be able.
oh, so they are. You're the one in.
You're the one in. I was here, about Concron Naja, and train Comoina, and Chibia, my man, at a young crack, but we share the voice, and me who's in the Messiah describing the moon. She has a very special voice here. So I can say, you'll be amazed. Nti se bia first time here make say wo de hwe na betimi ahwe no the social media platforms Naja on Facebook Naja Naja na Instagram Naja Empire Naja na the Empire account YouTube also say Naja Empire
maybe
Naja Empire okay nti no on all social media platforms no mo check ho abehu Naja Empire na so wahwe wo de mempese me ebe kasa bebre so atase mempese be kasa bebre mempese ukọ na ado ani ye den ekohwe now young bra number 1 because number 1 is my favorite tia me ba number 1 so now
that's number 1 here over
number 1 here me so atase because me share ba bi anka me so me save in the number 1 bet e ba chi no
now you number 10
my man one kwe number 10 me save in the nyame aka
hey hey
minti na minti mindidi bisa me director am so sa bitolo yeyima am so nya broken heart sa nti number 1 no me pese auto kakra from the side of number 1 no na me wi ani akọ number 2 ni akọ number 3 to number 6
oh my baby, I'm going crazy for you. Oh my darling, oto bikum na do nyane, mashia da fancy menya de pa, akoma dendino adana ni udomu wetu. I wanna tell you, baby, you're my number 1 a day. Oh my baby, you're my number 1 a day. Oh my baby, my number 1, my baby, wa makoma swati. You're my number 1 a day.
Kai and a second track here.
Second track now, I Miss You.
And so yam pick it.
So I Miss You was when I say, oh yeah, your generation, although with us, got the emfa. So the guy no 2 coins, so kwakuye jumaka but no coins what share. So the girl was reaching out to him, say, "What I miss you so umbra, you get it." Yeah.
It's just a ipine is like I say is a story. No, what hey. On a more serious note, we say baby release an album, a whole album. But uti tracks na intimi match senior uti first one number 1 of in our wedding or share second one I Miss You be money near around and our wedding I Miss You no see antoka krana
joy uma kume mume tofe my baby I'm looking good, my dress is fine, but nobody is saying it. Oh, Nana, say, it's been a long time since I see your face. Oh, baby, come and spend some holidays with me. I miss you. Ooh, I miss you, baby. But show me move by FEMA, no, or do you? I'm feeling cold and lonely. Hey.
Hey! 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 I was here. Like, are you feeling what I'm feeling? Me say voice no e wura to say e wura ti ne bullet e wura mu no
eh
yemfa ronto nchen o voice ni e wura like e me who say me sin describing no wanna show you mama
me kasa na me twa menum
wanna show you
by times so me were friends being someone to a studio and I sister back a friend Amanova on quite a try the third song with featuring Aquaboa that's Vamijo big ups to her on the trace sometimes they help but me kasa na me twa menum
hey what's one ma like I didn't about Timothy me who said like how do you create your song?
Okay, so me creating my song no based on things I me yes so me nya hu kwa de na me ti bibi fa when me dey try me ba and then me lyrics and ba try yeah so me training based on things I me and this time round cry no yeah social media and internet they can be yes so if you are creative like yes you know much about with me lyrics
And a third one, geez, I miss you. Yes, now with Taste of Love EP no so. Third one, I said.
Third one here, Vamijo featuring Aquaboa.
Vamijo no just said.
Brian Ko.
Learn language no.
Ewe.
Ewe. Now can ewe.
David.
Now I don't know we use ewe language for me. Vamijo.
That's why I told you say that song name na me tree. A sister of mine a tree, yeah. And I think so no oti ewe ni kakra.
Tia no oto ewe kakra wo mana.
Oh, David. Ni doing the ever and Vamijo nsi me chorus no yeah odo bedi den wo hia baby abi samen ko a odwe wo sister say e ba na wo hode ya me ya bola badminton sam yeah I want to na yo wodokom ne bokumbo I want to be your lover oh baby give me sugar yeah yeah I want to na yo wodokom ne bokumbo let me be that sugar let me be that girl almighty Vamijo Brian Kosheme jam modre Vamijo Brian Kosheme jam modre Vamijo Brian Kosheme jam modre Vamijo Brian Kosheme jam hey
My man tribe. Vamijo Brian Kosheme jam yeah Vamijo because bibi show me mo Vamijo
hey so say they want to miss now hey
wow the first one first track number 1 na I miss you na Vamijo bra me yenye den enko nti we de mega say be man aka choba na say ombra na omonye den
we do oba na ka chere man say
ombra fie wa fe no
yeah I miss you so come on let's go
I'm going
and then we am go dey I say Brian ko share me dey
let's go to the fourth track and
the fourth track is Lonely featuring Obi Bini
I want to breaking heart in about
broken heart no oh so cha my buy no oba be dru ye no ne girlfriend you hu ni ye I say wakoshe match oba no so ye hu ni ye and I say man so de ye fifi mu kakra so fifi man ko hu say cha me nya crash for ngonya television chain and I say broken heart oba the mobile so why lonely you get it yeah lonely no say anka me ne wa and so do ko ne odo yeah, boy, you know you be my sunshine. Nobody love you like I do. Hey, anywhere through your hard times, promise you never be alone. Yeah, if love was a failed, I promise to be only. Yeah, your smiles make I feel you. Boy, if you know they I feel lonely. Oh, what day be na? Where na? I take my come. Hey, I say be na. What kind na? I see my come. Nanga menewa odokoni odo naga menewa nka unchaina meta naga menewa odokoni odo naga menewa nka unchaina meta
hey I was just say EP no one say won't tie ya wo ye ho 6 tracks per yeah, in Lodin be because first is this your first EP? a first tip in yellow didn't be brave. So won't say ya taste of love. Or do send or do taste it here. Or do taste it different. And painful I mean manam or moody over my pee. A buntoni mamma in our move room pee. To be so more mature send or do it here. It is a won't say a taste of love or Mr. Call all the music platforms, right? Yeah, all the online music platforms no Oklahoma Musabeka Taste of Love. What they call a chick Naja by Naja. Naja yanko fit one.
Fit one here, only you.
Only you.
Yeah, only you.
Only you. Dear honor nagase yasana share for.
No. Only you know say money buy Chama edit to say why you bunny and okopacho. And because so no na your first guy in Tino. Ababa wanted you to etia say man sign baba. Can no change say e ono kwa. Hey. I say you know funny personal. I say.
Oh, me person say EPA you develop it out of a story. So what I say. Untenya. All right, untenya. And also my inti honum kakrana. You call the last one I feel in fan command to us.
Adore away. For command the man I'm in so movie. Yeah, me love ye. For command the man I'm in so movie. We are see your dog on your toe. Be that she a what young cono boko sa. Mashishe mubenku mani fama unu obia Nsuomu awiyamu odwema unu obia Mashishe mubenku mani fama unu obia Nsuomu awiyamu odwema unu obia Enti yankono boko sa odwe Enti yankono boko sa odwe Sa ni eno
I was here. Young last one.
Okay, so the last one here, old love.
Good love.
Yes. I'm trying to say, Siana, I on quantity, or he had to done because growing up, you who said, it was so hard to find love. And on Munyan so almost so many, and they respect, yes. So, he had to done, and then my father and they broke out.
The white woman be wedding facing?
18 years.
18 years.
Yeah.
A football age and I won't decide the age in one.
There, me some age. Yeah. I don't want to hear. I want to hear birthday. I was the one there birthday. Hey.
Okay. Yeah. No, so swear.
Semester won't swallow down my mensa. Me better or do baby try me your dog cause I need you more. I'm glad to be. I need that old love. Now my photo the broken heart to you. Don't be. I need that old love. Now my photo the broken heart to. But I should have money that old true love. Tete don't know why, baby. Tete don't know why. But now so me, I need that old true love. Tete don't know why, baby. Tete don't know why.
Tete don't know why, baby. Tete don't know why. Then I'll soon feature for one and Vamijo now. Okay, that's nice. Naja, back to life as upcoming artists here, still now will grow in the industry now. What have been some of the challenges here? What come most especially getting in touch with an artist and maybe sir, what was the challenge you all?
No, make us the big because challenges because artists make us you reach out to no can you know himself you are busy yeah or man kasa my you busy but for say no any challenges we make us
artists when I share them so unya be feature no
artists am be me feature no
artist to ubetimi abobi modin wo hwea wunya ya ubetimi a feature mo maybe in your next coming music here and you might be releasing.
Okay, Kofi Kinata. Kwame Eugene.
Okay.
Adina.
Baby, why?
Yeah. And Simi. Yeah, Thames.
Okay. Wow.
And I kiss the phone.
But what try said o reach out to mo.
Yogusu ye wajuma.
So ye wajuma. Should we expect another EP and album in the next coming months and years ahead?
Yes, sure. You leave me. When I cried when you introduction because your first time because you releasing EP new, so for sure you're the forefront so best ever.
On next challenge, like on next song, we be releasing that way.
So see, and the person focus on the EP in the kakra. Yeah, but definitely ever drop it.
I hope the EP is moving, right?
Sure, it's really moving. And like I say, I'm off for any. In fact, me I don't mean that. Yeah, I'm off for any EP. And Obianso one of the favorites. EP is yeah.
I made the number one.
Obianso one of the was yeah.
I was here. Naja berry. And ferry and ferry. But I can't bury you. Ferry near there. Naja berry ferry. Okay. When Naja ferry and actually in Kumina, currently from my side now me who said when it comes to vocals, not vocals from Kwan Uti and Yuma by took a career. I think say nothing should tell you say oh you're good. So what I say. Meaning where they Messi describing a bit. Nothing should tell you say oh you're very good. It is a winty and no ma, or the obit mako all the music platforms now creating now TV. Now they were judge from our side. So Naja, growing up as a female artist, challenge Benna. What coming up in this short while no?
You know say before say starting music personally now. People were like, oh, management, manage female artists, on how I dream, yet, and me buying so much baby, and it's something I will make us say, baby, more dear, but to me, no, make us say, Tima, maybe she are on a team, they are good and they are not into that. So, me as a female artist, make us say, maybe, and many challenges be yes, you get it. So, me wish to say, female artists, be a she has some management now, maybe won't be because. Manager, yeah, in fact, they are really doing a great job.
Mema how?
Debbie.
Now boy.
Debbie.
Ni boy.
Debbie.
Who hope so benyabi?
Minyina.
Oh, right now no. When you know?
Minyina.
Oh, in Ghana laws no. After 18 no, you're allowed to.
I know that, but in my laws, maybe.
In your laws.
Yeah.
Ngasi bia no ubuntu ha enya sade ankane e case here the ya ubuntu na. Okay, nti yanko yanim what should we expect from Naja in this coming years ahead now? What are you expecting from Naja?
Okay, you should expect nothing but the best. I'm hoping to say be an international artist. I would be an international artist, so we are working towards that and just expect nothing but the best.
I was here, mene Naja very baby, and I came come on here. I check no more baby na yes no more baby na make say yes you are free ne honum. Naja, whom are you looking up to? What you what no why na make say usia usia na namo and I say I don't know so what's my say. Whom are you looking up to?
I am Aquaboa.
Yeah. Aquaboa sempa.
In fact, sempa. Pa.
Wow. Yes. Now I watch you too. Okay. What's your music career? When nipa ben na ho maboa in your music career no. Nipa ben with my bobi modern.
Oh, me career no how great aboa me. First year me teacher Mr. Bright. Yeah, Smart Town. And then my manager Steven Banahene. And they be only say for now Sunyani and Mr. Ransford entry.
What's the manager there?
Steven Banahene.
I know.
Ubuntu,
yes.
Ubuntu TV. And me any mommy so yes. And I miss them yeah, miss them different day be yeah, be because my first time come with me free aeroplane for Ghana was Miss the entire Koguba Awards Rwanda. That's last year. Yeah.
Listen, the Grammy say, was it a press conference like we event visa or Sunyane listening visa? Yeah. Well, me who said the love was massive. Yeah, me who said the by pa. I say, then Tado for first flight. How's the feeling like?
Hey, yes, it wasn't that easy because yeah.
I want to catch him. So now kitana sudden. I know what to worry.
I want to do nya abroad for intentions no or feels or no feels or Lebanese. It's not the home cry. Yeah.
Oh wow! So sure. everything was okay. In Jabusia, yene Naja. Naja Empire on all social media platforms, Naja Empire, and I train and Komui. Naja, Barbara pay up, final ways, Obekajre, Ubia or support to Ubia, Wabuada, Ubia or Fulua till now.
Meda will be biasi for almost support any of that and be almost Naja. Although say, Menyan that big no, but they are always supporting and showing Naja love. It's Nyanko Point show, we are fans, and Nyanko Point show me na. So they push it. Sometimes I won't releasing no man can catch us say that whenever he gets it, so it shows me say they really love me. And Nyanko Point show will be at two from Naja Prime so yeah, me down must for the opportunity almost the mommy I'm a dread this far, yeah. Nyanko Point show went to me produce a town beats. Yeah, Nyanko Point show and so for they should go follow me up on all social media platforms now as Naja Empire and I'm so all digital streaming platforms Taste of Love I want to person could see my song with Aquaboa, my song with Obibini. Just go on all digital streaming platforms as Naja Empire and I'm could see not just what you send our favorite number one maybe on super call the number one yeah so we are going to no supporting Naja.
I don't know how you Ubuntu.
Nyanko Ponchan in fact Ubuntu they were bro yeah, and I know say and so I will continue making him proud.
Sure. See, I was here. I'm ready. My dear, na ABC. I had made in the Bonesman. Naja Ferry and I train and coming. A young, upcoming musician, all the way from BA Sunyane to be precise, Tomase, and Numa na voice kita abaya you know. Uti voice here, uti muse, or very different. I hope say in these short years ahead of us, or in these few way ahead of us, no, ubenya bigger platforms. I mean, say by for share. I just hope say maybe next year VJ maybe idea when ya best female vocalist na when ya new artist and I be bisa. I just hope say nomination bisa beba and so yeah you're pushing the stroke say follow na say share any videos ni bia obetimi try no akọ Naja Empire on all social media platforms na wa streaming nyom no na ono so pemfozi emfo ye fumpan enhyen ayaben ndi se wan ko streaming nyom na kakra osia emfa nti no mesro ye nyina yenko na yenko Naja Empire all the guitar platforms no so na non so no yentimi emo ano no dwuma de ni nyina esi ya hanom ni se mrepom no ye be san so ene Naja di nkomo na yenkomo eni be di na ye se ni se ye ni di nkomo BET yango bo so ya ni se mrepom no ye be san so ahye nkomo akra mu nyina mu village boy Bonesman bye bye.